So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's go for the video tutorial now.
Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to hack the game Ludus. So this works in iOS and Android. So let me just show you guys. So as you can see, I'm broke, but when you press the button, you have the mod menu appear and you can get unlimited emeralds. So I'm going to turn it up and we're going to see what happens. So let's see if the emeralds start going up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get this modded version of the Ludus for your device. So let's see if it increases, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your phone. So as you can see, here's the values, and look at that, guys, it's going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you how to get this Ludus modded version for 2026. So let's get into the video. So first thing we're going to do is go over to this website, Tweak Mod. So in this site is like all these apps and stuff. So just type in Ludus. And then I just want you guys to press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification, okay? So I want you guys to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then the verification will be completed. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so you can see the Apple and Android logo, so it does work on both, which is awesome. So I'm just going to wait. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So as you can see, guys, it is loading up. So now we should be good to go. So at the end, guys, it's going to say missing files. So this is where you got to download 2 of these apps. Like Travel Town says reach level 9. So it's like a game. So just press continue and then play this until I'm level 9. So yeah, just do a couple of these, you're going to be good to go. So that's how to get the Ludus modded version for your device 2026. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, guys. This is super cool.